Let us discuss what is this invite guest module. Here, resident could invite the guests based on the image and also tries to enter the name and mobile number. They could also click on select from contact button to get the contact details of that visitor. And they also need to enter the date and time of that particular visitor. Now let us try to invite one visitor. Now let us select the date and time. Let us select the time. Here, the profile photo is optional based on the resident's wish. Let us click on invite button. Here, a alert pop-up stating that you have successfully invited your request is displayed.